Even in 2025, the DJI Mini 4 Pro continues to reign as the top-tier drone under 250 grams, setting the benchmark for what's possible in this ultra-lightweight category. Straight out of the box, the Mini 4 Pro impresses with professional-grade features that rival much larger drones. Equipped with a powerful over 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures incredibly detailed 48-megapixel stills and records crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second, maintaining excellent performance even in low-light conditions thanks to its bright-up f1.7 lens. The 3-axis gimbal provides consistently smooth footage, while the 82.1-degree field of view wide-angle lens effortlessly delivers expansive cinematic perspectives. With a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes, a remarkable transmission range of 10 kilometers, and agile flight speeds of up to 21 meters per second, the Mini 4 Pro remains the go-to choice for creators who demand high-end capabilities in a compact design. When put to the test against the wind, the Mini 4 Pro holds its ground impressively, even when directly compared to its larger sibling, the DJI Air 3S. Despite its compact form, the Mini 4 Pro demonstrates surprising stability and resilience, proving that its lightweight frame does not compromise its ability to handle challenging flight conditions. In a direct video comparison with the much more affordable FIMI Mini 3, the DJI Mini 4 Pro once again proves why it remains the benchmark in the sub-250-gram drone category. The FIMI Mini 3, weighing just 245 grams, is no lightweight when it comes to features. It captures sharp 48-megapixel photos and records smooth 4K videos at 60 frames per second, using a 1/2-inch stacked CMOS sensor that performs well in different lighting conditions. Its bright f1.6 lens, combined with a 24mm equivalent focal length, allows for wide, natural-looking shots. And its 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage steady, even during more dynamic flights. Powered by a 2,200 mAh battery, the FIMI Mini 3 can stay in the air for up to 32 minutes, reaches speeds of up to 18 meters per second, and maintains a solid video transmission range of up to 9 kilometers. On paper, it seems like a worthy challenger. But when both drones are flown side by side, the DJI Mini 4 Pro consistently pulls ahead. Its footage reveals finer detail, more vibrant and accurate colors, and noticeably smoother stabilization, especially in tricky light or more demanding flight scenarios. The FIMI Mini 3 offers impressive value and strong performance for its price, but the Mini 4 Pro remains in a class of its own. The DJI Mini 4 Pro and the much more affordable DJI Mini 4K may share a similar name, but when it comes to real-world performance, they serve entirely different users and expectations. The Mini 4K is clearly positioned as an entry-level drone aimed at beginners who want a simple and affordable way to capture aerial footage. It offers basic 4K video recording, but with a key limitation: it can only shoot at up to 30 frames per second. This immediately restricts its ability to produce the ultra-smooth, cinematic motion that the Mini 4 Pro effortlessly delivers at 60 frames per second. The Mini 4K also features a smaller image sensor, which results in noticeably less detail, lower dynamic range, and reduced performance in low-light conditions. Photos and videos from the Mini 4K often appear flatter and less vibrant, especially when compared side by side with the crisp, color-accurate, and deeply detailed footage from the Mini 4 Pro. Beyond camera quality, the Mini 4 Pro also sets itself apart in handling and safety. While the Mini 4K focuses on simplicity, it lacks advanced flight assistance features and offers only basic downward sensing. The Mini 4 Pro, in contrast, comes equipped with multi-directional obstacle sensing, giving pilots much more confidence when flying in complex environments or tighter spaces. Its superior transmission system allows for a stronger, clearer video feed at greater distances, while the Mini 4K's connection is more limited, both in range and stability. In terms of flight dynamics, The Mini 4 Pro is more responsive, smoother in the air, and capable of handling wind and challenging flight conditions with ease, far beyond what the Mini 4K can manage. While both drones weigh under 250 grams and are easy to transport, the comparison really highlights that the Mini 4K is a drone for casual users or complete beginners, while the Mini 4 Pro is built for creators who want professional level performance in the smallest, most portable form factor. Ultimately, despite the similar naming, these two drones serve very different purposes. The DJI Mini 4K is a great entry point for those just starting out, but for anyone serious about aerial photography or video, or who wants the flexibility to shoot in more demanding situations, the DJI Mini 4 Pro remains in a completely different league. The DJI RC Pro 2 is the long-awaited evolution of DJI's premium remote controller, bringing several exciting upgrades over its predecessor, the original DJI RC Pro. One of the most noticeable improvements is the stunning new display. The RC Pro 2 features an ultra-bright, high-resolution screen that delivers even better visibility in direct sunlight, making it easier than ever to frame shots on bright days. DJI has also refined the ergonomics, offering a slightly more balanced grip and smoother control sticks, which provide a more responsive and precise flying experience. Internally, the RC Pro 2 is powered by faster hardware, significantly reducing app load times and improving overall system responsiveness. The upgraded video transmission system offers stronger, more stable connectivity over longer distances, providing pilots with a seamless live feed that's virtually lag-free. These enhancements make the RC Pro 2 not just a controller, but a professional-grade tool for demanding creators. What's particularly exciting is that the DJI RC Pro 2 is fully compatible with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. For pilots who want to push the Mini 4 Pro to its full potential, this pairing offers a remarkable step up in both handling and usability. The RC Pro 2's superior screen brightness and ultra-smooth responsiveness make it much easier to track fast-moving subjects, manage complex flight paths, and fine-tune camera settings on the fly, all without the need to connect an external smartphone. The extended transmission range and rock-solid signal stability give pilots greater confidence when flying in more challenging environments, where obstacles or interference might otherwise cause connection issues. Using the RC Pro 2 with the Mini 4 Pro elevates the entire flying experience, offering more precision, better control, and a professional workflow right out of the box. It's a powerful combination that truly unlocks the full creative potential of DJI's most compact pro drone. The upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro is already generating significant anticipation, with a release expected in September 2025. Following DJI's typical 2-year product cycle, the timing feels perfectly aligned, and early leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will once again push the boundaries of what's possible in the sub-250 gram category. One of the most talked about upgrades is the expected battery capacity. Rumors point to a much larger battery, potentially offering up to 50 minutes of maximum flight time, a dramatic increase over the Mini 4 Pro's already impressive endurance. This could make the Mini 5 Pro one of the longest flying drones in its weight class. The transmission system is also likely to see a major leap forward, possibly introducing DJI's next-generation OcuSync 4 Plus technology, which could extend the maximum range to around 25 to 30 kilometers. On the imaging side, insiders suggest the Mini 5 Pro may be equipped with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant step up from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This would bring noticeable improvements in dynamic range, low light performance, and overall image detail, potentially giving creators even more flexibility in challenging lighting conditions. There are also whispers about the inclusion of LiDAR-based obstacle detection, which would offer even more precise avoidance capabilities, particularly in low contrast or complex environments, setting a new standard for safety in lightweight drones. Additional features could include onboard audio recording, AI-enhanced subject tracking, and faster 65-watt charging for minimal downtime between flights. While official pricing has yet to be confirmed, early estimates suggest the Mini 5 Pro could start somewhere between $850 and $999, positioning it as DJI's most advanced mini drone to date. If these details prove accurate, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine what creators can expect from an ultra-portable drone, combining pro-level imaging, extended flight times, and next-gen flight safety in a compact, travel-friendly design. For those currently considering the Mini 4 Pro, it may be worth keeping an eye on the Mini 5 Pro's launch in just a few months, though the Mini 4 Pro remains an excellent and highly capable choice even now. If you're excited about drones and want to stay up to date with the latest releases, in-depth comparisons, and honest field tests, make sure to check out my drone channel, Dornios. I regularly cover everything from compact beginner drones to professional level models, always with practical insights and real-world footage. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your drone skills to the next level, you'll find plenty of valuable content there. If you found this overview helpful and want to keep exploring the world of drones with me, I'd love for you to subscribe to Dornios